How's everybody doing? I hope you're all doing well. Here's the date, and I want to say that all glory goes to the Father and the Son. And like I said, we're all watching and waiting as we're instructed. Proverbs chapter 8. And I have said that before. So I'm going to get into it. This is the only place you'll hear this. No other place you will hear this. I don't want to regurgitate somebody else's stuff. If the Lord gives me something, all glory and honor to the Father and the Son. And like I said, I hope this gets you encouragement. Now let's get into this. Where do I start? There's so much stuff here. God bless. This will be in opposition on the 27th, okay? This is a planet, okay? It's a small planet. It's an asteroid. You can call it whatever you want. Right here it is. I will show you where it is. It's right here. It's right here. They say it came from Jupiter. It was cast out or something. And it was on here, and I was like, what is this about? And I checked into it. This is the 27th. Right here will be in opposition on the 27th. So we're right here today, 16th. Right here. Be in opposition to this date. 27th, right here. Very interesting. This is also 7 days after we leave, if we leave here, which I'm hoping it is. 7 days. It's also 7 days from the eclipse, the second eclipse, the full eclipse, and I will go over that in a minute. This is very interesting. Obama reports on light structures and Obama's face. Obama's sighting daily. Obama's face on this. Obama's face, Jupiter. Right here. Obama even climate change. He climate change czar. He did this, and they named it this. The same thing is what this planet, asteroid, they named it right here. Right here. America remembers the name. A major environmental green corporations unit right here push climate agenda. This was by Obama. Mission 2020. Socialism. These are all the companies and all the directors. Very interesting. This was all over. This is all over Obama's face. Obama's face seen on this planet. Found on the dwarf planet right there. NASA source. This is March 2015. Here's another article. Light structures on Obama's face. Very interesting. They have articles on this. There's his face. Very interesting. So it's at opposition on the 27th. Right there. It's very ironic that this is closest to the Earth on the 27th, and Obama is linked to it. All these articles right here. He even named it about the climate change. Here's Dukakis, all of them. This is all of them. They named it, and then here they call it Obama Czar. Now let's go over this right here. This is 7 days right here. This is 7 days after the 19th, roughly, and it's 7 days before the 4th. 1, 2, 3, 4. Both these eclipses. In Genesis right here, it says, "For yet in 7 days I will cause it to rain upon the earth. 40 days and 40 nights. This is in Genesis right here, 7:4. Also, too, I thought was very interesting. As I said, this information is only found here. I'm not going to regurgitate somebody else's information. It says, "The queen of the south shall rise up in judgment of this generation and condemn it, for it come from the uttermost parts of the earth to hear wisdom of Solomon, and a greater than Solomon is here." Very interesting that it says the queen of the south. We'll go over this first. The first eclipse is shown right here, which is the path mainly in the United States, and it can be seen in Mexico and stuff, but mainly this area right here, a third of the earth, mainly. The main part of it can be seen right here, okay? Now, it's very interesting because Judgment, and then the next eclipse, roughly 14 days later, is over Antarctica. As you can see right there, that's where the full eclipse is, right there. Right there. The other part is, you can't see it as well, but that's where the main part of the eclipse is. Well, it's very interesting because even Antarctica, where it can be seen right here over Antarctica, the only place it can be seen is called Queen Elizabeth's Land, right here in Antarctica, right where it's going, right here. As you can see, it's a bullseye. See the tip right there? Right there. Very interesting. The first one is here, and then the second one, it's like showing Judgment to Babylon, and it's over this area. And then the second one is right here, which it shows it's going right here. Very interesting. It's in Matthew 12. Very interesting. So, this is the information I have today. It would be 7 days before this, or it'd be 7 days before this. 7 days warning. Very interesting. As Obama, right here, connection to Obama. He even had a green event on it. And they called it this. Obama's face. They had tons of articles on it. And it's as opposition on the 27th, which that could be 7 days before we leave or 7 days before we leave. I'm looking at the 20th. Looking at this date right here, Babylon Falls, and or here, 7 days before. I want to put out a short video today. I hope you're all doing well. God bless you all. I hope you're all doing well. It's very ironic about this. God bless. After going over my video, I forgot to do this. There's a lot of information here. On the 27th, right here, it's at opposition. As it shows you right here, opposition. Opposition right here on the 27th, as I showed you right here. Also, too, the meaning of this word right here. I'm not going to pronounce it because I'm just not going to pronounce it because I could pronounce it wrong. This right here, the meaning of this right here, it's the goddess of fertility. Right here is cereal. It's cereal grains. That's where they get cereal from. It's right here, agriculture, grains, fertility, a relationship. That's where they get cereal from. Boom. Right here, boom. And it's at opposition on this day right here, which, as I said, 7 days before or 7-day warning. We will see. It's associated with Obama right here. And right here it's at opposition. And it's this base word's where they got cereal from. It's grains. Right here, agriculture. And right here it's fertility. Right here, fertility and grain harvest. Very interesting. God bless you all, and I just wanted to add this on to the end of my video. Here's the date as we all watch together. And like I said, I'm excited. I'm watching every day with all of you. God bless.